your presence for granted, but I always can. Hello, shout out Tita Maya. Good evening po. Salamat. 6 million. Shout out. I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your soul shows. Yes, it shows. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrow. When I had you there, but then I let you go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know what you should know. Can't live, but living is without you. I can't live, I can't live anymore. I can't live, living is without you. I can't give, I can't give anymore. But I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving. But I guess that's just the way the story goes. You always smile, but in your eyes your soul shows. Yes, it shows. I can't live without you. I can't live. I can't live anymore. There's nothing else without you. I can't live. I can't live if living is without you. Baby, don't ever let go. We're hard to hold, and we can live again together. Nothing gonna stop us now. In the first world, we still have each other. Ano daw? Nothing gonna stop us now. Oh, ever and ever. Oh yeah. Da, 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 da. Stick together, standing little romantic between us like static. And you didn't even have to try. And it's all vintage. Promise that drive this. Wanna leave it up to dry. And it hurts so good. And I feel I'm not a panic. Between us like static. And you didn't even have to try. Feeling so vintage. I must think dreamless. Wanna leave it up to dry. And it hurts so good. And I feel I'm out of panic. Rub me out of way. But it works like it should. Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. When I'm near you, I get deja vu. I didn't even have to try. Is it an illusion? Are you even human? 'Cause you always know what's on my mind. And it hurts so good. And I feel I'm out of panic. Rub the other way. But it works like it should. Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. Yeah, it's cosmic. In your orbit. Yeah, it's cosmic. Oh, and it hurts so good. And I feel I'm out of panic. Rub the other way. But it works like it should. Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. But yeah, it's cosmic. But in your orbit. But yeah, it's cosmic. What about the peace? Both know it's wrong, but it feels right. Blurred lines, danger on both sides. See our reflection in a mirror. Your eyes are steady, getting clearer. Should 7 amazing people. Shout out. Back to the beginning. Hello, 15 million amazing people. Friends don't look at me like you did in that moment. Thank God I have this goal. Thank God I have no one knows. Can we make this our mistake? Take me somewhere safe. Hold me just in case nothing gets better. You say I'm okay. You and me can stay. Hold me just in case nothing gets better. Yeah. Nothing gets better than this. Oh, can't even deny it. If I said I didn't want more, I'd be lying. 'Cause now we're getting closer, and all I know is I had it all, but I let it slip away. Couldn't start to read it wrong. Now I wonder why, turning hard and cold, trying to believe that you're gone. Love takes time to heal when your heart is so much. Couldn't see that I was blind to let you go. I can't escape the pain inside. This love takes time. I don't wanna be here. I don't wanna be here alone. Losing my mind. makita yung aking... Hello, Ate Liz Band. Shout out. Shout out, Ate Liz. You need to go. Love takes time. I need a lover to give me the kind of love that will last always. I need somebody uplifting to take me away, babe. Oh yeah. I want a lover who loves me. Yeah, yeah. Who understands how I feel inside. Sir MVP, shout out. Salamat sa pagbisita, Sir MVP. Bigyan kita jacket. Ayan, may jacket na. Dream love will come and rescue me. Take me up, take me down, take me anywhere you want to, baby, now. I need you so desperately. Won't you please come around? 'Cause I wanna share forever, baby. Dream lover. Yes po, Ate Liz. I love Mariah Carey. I don't wanna love my pretender. To disillusion me one more time. Whispering words are forever. Playing with my mind. Thank you, Sir MVP. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita, Kuya MVP. Good evening po. That kind of love that will fly away. I just want to belong to every day of my life. Always come and take me away. Love will come and rescue me. Take me up, baby. Take me anywhere you want to, baby, now. I just so desperate. Won't you please come around? 'Cause I wanna share forever, baby. Ganda pa rin. Aba, syempre. Salamat, Sir Kuya MVP. Ngayon ka na lang uli nakita dito sa Little Squad. Wala ko kay si Kuya MVP. Malakas sa music pa. Ay, bakit ito ang pinahinaan ko? Ayan, hinaan natin. Sa TikTok ako nalibang. Okay. Oo, pareho kayo nila, nila Topper. Kasama mo ba sila Topper doon? Di ba sila Tope? Doon din. Lagi sila doon.
Uy, cash
Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. When I'm near you, I get deja vu. I didn't even have to try. Is it an illusion? Are you even human? 'Cause you always know what's on my mind. And it hurts so good. And I feel I'm under panic. Look the other way. But it works like it should. Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. But yeah, it's cosmic. But in your orbit. But yeah, it's cosmic. Oh, and it hurts so good. And I feel I'm under panic. Not the other way. But it works like it should. Can't pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't wanna know. But yeah, it's cosmic. Yeah, it's cosmic. It hurts. Happy na ako. Wala akong ano. Sa TikTok, malilibang. I never been the one to pray, but boy, do I feel blessed with your head on my. Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? Come and change my tires. My hands running. Hello, Habi Horizon. Shout out. Ba't nababara? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag. Ginaon naman na ang lahat, tinapan naman na aking sugat. Ngunit ba't parang di ito pa rin? Hirap na akong intindi. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Hello, sweet host. How are you, hubby? How's your day today?
Time check. Kaya
Good evening, Marvin. Hello, shout out. Thank you sa patusok.
amo si Paluma. Ngayon tayo ay bata pa.
At ang galing-galing mong sumayaw. Mapabugi man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakaganda, nakakaaniw, nakakabalahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay diretso na sa